Well, Infosys stock is certainly in focus, and this time it is for a possible deal likely to be struck with the German automotive major Daimler. In fact, sources to Times of India do suggest that Infosys has possibly emerged as a frontrunner for a multi-year $1.3 billion deal from German automotive major Daimler, and the deal would be focused on infrastructure management services, networks, and data centers. The IT sourcing deal is likely to involve 500 to 600 Daimler employees transferring to the IT firm. And to note that if this deal really goes through, it would of course be a big deal win for Infosys. Just in Q2 itself, Infosys had stated that they do have a very strong deal pipeline, and just in Q2 they had announced large deal win worth nearly around $3 billion itself. When Times of India has contacted Infosys, they have not really responded. However, when contacted to Daimler, the spokesperson for digitalization and IT for Mercedes-Benz cars and vans, Dora, stated that in the area of IT, we will continue to focus our internal IT competencies on software development, thereby strengthening Daimler in the digital competition. At the same time, we will be able to benefit from the scaling effects and innovative performance of global IT companies in the areas of data centers, networks, and workplace IT. In fact, the spokesperson also stated that for this reason, we are currently investigating whether we can partially transfer these areas to an external partner. After evaluating different offers of potential candidates, we now down selected those possible partners and proceed for exclusive negotiations with one partner for the areas data centers, networks, and workplace IT. A deal, however, is yet to be made, said the spokesperson. Infosys said it had no comments to offer. In fact, if you actually look at what's happening globally, well, IT companies are of course bagging in large deals in order to enhance capabilities, and also while global companies are looking to reduce the costs. This deal, if at all it goes through for Infosys, it would certainly be one of the large big deal wins coming in for them. And in fact, just in the recent analyst call, Infosys management had stated that the IT major has 4 clear growth areas in place, which is digital, winning large deals, focus on account management, as well as new clients. They stated that last quarter saw the largest deal value of over $3 billion, and there is a focused plan to work with existing clients and creating deeper relationships, along with attention to work with new clients that is being tracked internally. Infosys management had also stated that they have several margin drivers in place, and which of course they would be looking to further sustain their margins, and also they do have an ambition to expand their margins in the coming quarters and years. And in fact, they had stated that, to be clear, all of the investment phase that we had is well behind us. We are today in a phase wherein all new investments are funded from the P&L, and we believe many of these strategic margin drivers will support us as we look to maintain margins and have an ambition to expand our margins in the coming quarters and years. So yes, of course, if at all this deal will go through for Infosys, it would be a big deal, and of course it would make it would definitely add further value to Infosys in P&L, as well as the overall performance of the IT major. We will keep you posted on more on this.